Unang yapon si Clark. Nagsunod si Johnson Adlawan. Then followed by Cyril Taliman and Nino Basco.
Clark Walesa riding for Force Sisters Racing, still holding the first position, and riding for Man and Machine Production, Ako Bisaya Pagiles for the second, John Adlawan. Third, Asay Racing Team, Cyril Taliman, and also ACP Racing Car, Nino Basco. Battle for the third position, Nino Basco and also Cyril Taliman, nasa likuran. And humahabol ngayon, John Adlawan, nag-whip yan. John Adlawan now, humahabol kay Clark Walesa. Clark Walesa, one of caliber rider in the Philippines, and also John Adlawan, the international rider yan. And nasa likuran, Cyril Taliman for the third position. Asay Racing Team and ACP Racing Car, Nino Basco. Yan, mahahabol na yan. 10 laps of racing, marami pang pwede mangyari. This is 10 laps of racing, so nasa likuran ni Clark Walesa, John Adlawan, Man and Machine. And third, that is City Bike Shop, Cyril Taliman of Asay Racing, Nino Basco. Nino Basco of ACP NR Racing and Quick Ride Racing. Nino Basco now for the board. Lumalapit si John Adlawan kay Clark Walesa. Lumalapit talaga. Marami pang pwede mangyari. Wow! Rapapap. Wala talaga. Hindi pa nakukuha. Marami pang pwede mangyari. Matinding bakbakan yan. Yan. Clark Walesa, Four Sisters Racing, followed by John Adlawan of Man Machine Production. Ako Bisaya Pagilis, Alidan Marketing. That is Asay Racing and City Bike Shop. And also NR Racing and ACP Racing, Nino Basco for the fourth. Clark Walesa, lumalapit si John Adlawan kay Clark Walesa. Tingnan natin ang whip. Camera. Mag-whip yan. Woohoo! Yan! Grabe, Wahey! Nagkamali! Yun na sana yan. Okay, matinding magbakan. Yan, top caliber rider of the Philippines yan. Clark Walesa and John Adlawan representing the international motocross. So, malakas na rider yan. Matinding magbakan yan, makikita natin. So, still holding the first position. That is Clark Walesa. Clark Walesa followed by John Adlawan of Man and Machine Production. Hahabol pa yan, hahabulin pa yan ni John Adlawan. Kitang-kita, yan. CRF versus CRF. Cyril Taliman riding for third position. Asay Racing and City Bike Shop. Nino Basco, ACP NR Racing. Nag-whip si Nino Basco. Hingwip ko na ang lawas. Hingwip ang lawas. Ayan. Clark Walesa or the PC Polisar. PC Polisar still holding. Yan, nasa likuran, John Adlawan. Bakbakanan na yan. John Adlawan versus Clark Walesa. And also Cyril Taliman for the third and fourth. ACP NR Racing, that is Nino Basco. Riding for 1890. After this, we have a short break and 30 minutes. We will proceed the second hit to all categories. So, tingnan natin, marami pa po nangyari dito for the broadcast. Clark Walesa still holding the first position and humahabol pa rin John Adlawan of that is from Man and Machine, Ako Bisaya. John Adlawan for the second position and still holding the first. Craig Walesa of Four Sisters Racing. 450 versus 450, nasa likuran, naka 250, Nino Vasco lang. So, Nino Vasco still fighting for the fourth position, Nino Vasco. Lumalapit na naman. Lumalapit na naman si John Adlawan kay Craig Walesa. Lumalapit! Ayan! Nakapapap! Tingnan natin! Ayan! Craig Walesa. Craig Walesa, John Adlawan, Cyril Taliman, and also Nino Vasco for the broadcast. Nag-breakaway move si Craig Walesa. And John Adlawan pa rin sa pangalawa. And third, that is Cyril Taliman.